Jeannette. I just purchased a home through Rudy Kusuma team. I purchased for my daughter and my granddaughter. We've been looking for quite some time, and we have Ryan as our agent. We went out of the market for a few months because my identity was stolen and I had to freeze my credit, but we went back into the market and we chose Ryan again as our agent. When I was looking for a home, I looked into the Zillow through the internet, and I found the Rudy Kusuma team, and that's how I came to the market with them. Ryan is very expertise in the matter of homes here in LA. I'm from San Diego. The market is very different over there, so he kind of enlightened me regarding how we should go to buy the property that I liked it, and he did help me a lot. So I guess I got it because of his advice. He was more knowledgeable than I was regarding how the market is in here in LA. The communications with Ryan was very good because, like I say, he was always there for us and give us all the enlightenment around how is the process coming. So I think without him, I would have been lost, really. The market here is very different. In spite of having multiple offers in the house that I like, I think Ryan did a very good job of advising me how to get this one, and we were lucky to get it. I would recommend Ryan and Rudy Kusuma team to buy any other property. Even if I want another property, I will go back with them, definitely.